Next, second question. Consider f such that r minus 4 by 3 tends to r minus 4 by 3 given by f of x is equal to 4x plus 3 by 3x plus 4. Show that f is bijective. Find the inverse of f and hence find f inverse of 0 and x such that f inverse of x is equal to 2. So we should show that f is bijective. That means we should show 1 1 and a onto function. Okay, first 1 1 function. For 1 1 function, let x1 comma x2 belongs to r minus 4 by 3. Why they are giving r minus 4 by 3 means, suppose if I substitute here minus 4 by 3 means I will get the form numerator divided by denominator as 0. Okay, undetermined form. So only r minus 4 by 3, right? So x1 comma x2 belongs to such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2, right? So f of x is given as, okay, so I can substitute 4x1 plus 3 divided by 3x1 plus 4 is equal to 4x2 plus 3 divided by 3x2 plus 4. Okay. If I do cross multiplication, 4x1 plus 3 into 3x2 plus 4 is equal to 3x1 plus 4 into 4x2 plus 3. If we do cross multiplication, so first step, so 12x1 x2 plus 16x1 plus 9x2 plus 12 is equal to 12x1 x2 plus 9x1 plus 16x2 plus 12. Okay, we can cancel the like terms, 12 and 12, and 12x1 x2 12x1 x2 from left hand side and right hand side. Next I can write 16x1 plus 9x2 is equal to 16x2 plus 9x1. Okay, so I can bring this one to left hand side. 16x1 minus 9x1 is equal to 16x2 minus 9x2. So from 16 take out 9, 7x1 is equal to 7x2, x1 is equal to x2, right? Therefore f is 1 1. Next to onto function. Next onto function. For onto function, right, let f of x is equal to y. F of x is equal to y, and y belongs to r minus 4 by 3, right? So y is equal to 4x plus 3 by 3x plus 4. We do cross multiplication, 3xy plus 4y is equal to 4x plus 3. We are searching for pre-image, so I can take this 3xy minus 4x is equal to 3 minus 4y. You can take x common. 3y minus 4 is equal to 3 minus 4y. Therefore x is equal to 3 minus 4y by 3y minus 4. If I take one minus from numerator and denominator, it becomes x is equal to 4y minus 3 by 4 minus 3y, right? So belongs to r minus, and this belongs to domain. This x value belongs to domain, so only we are writing r minus 4 by 3. Therefore thus for any y belongs to r minus 4 by 3, for any y belongs to r minus 4 by 3, there exist 4y minus 3 divided by 4 minus 3y belongs to r minus or minus 4 by 3, right? That indicates f function f is onto, satisfies onto, right? So therefore f is bijective since it satisfies 1 1 and onto. Therefore f inverse exists, and f inverse is given as, f inverse of y is given as 4y minus 3 divided by 4 minus 3y. It belongs to r minus 4 by 3 domain. This is domain. Okay, right. Next condition, and also f inverse of x can be written as 4x minus 3 by 4 minus 3x. Right, now I'm going to find f inverse of 0. If I substitute 0, 4 into 0 minus 3 by 4 minus 3 into 0, so minus 3 by 4. Next second, f inverse of x is equal to 2. F inverse of x is equal to 2. I need to find what a x value. So therefore 4x minus 3 divided by 4 minus 3x is equal to 2. So do cross multiplication. 4x minus 3 is equal to 8 minus 6x. Take this, 10x is equal to, so 8 plus 3 11, x is equal to 11 by 10. So for 11 by 10, its image is 2, right? That's it. Hope you like the video. Thank you.